doing the review for test 2, part 3, and we're just going to do question 9. It says, write the equation for the line that passes through the point and is perpendicular to this line. So means the lines are the slopes are the same. Perpendicular means the slopes are kind of exactly opposite. Okay, so is really what they're saying is find the slope in this line and then change it because we know it's perpendicular to whatever. Okay, so let's find the slope of this. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to solve for y. That means get rid of the 5x. Remember to write the x term first. Makes it easier. You don't have to, but it really makes it easier. Get the y by itself. Same over same is equal to 1. And we always write this fraction out in front of the x. We separate it from the x. Okay, that's a horrible fraction. Okay, so here is my slope. So if the lines were parallel, we would take it as the same. Okay, if the lines were parallel. But the lines are perpendicular. So what we have to do is we have to flip this slope upside down, which is the reciprocal, and then change the sign to the opposite. So if it's negative, change it to a plus, and if it's plus, then change it to a minus. So let's flip this upside down, and because it's negative, it's now going to be positive. So that's my new slope. Okay, that's the slope I'm going to use. So now the next step is, let's say my slope is this. So now I have a point. So I have a slope for a line, and I have them telling me it goes through this point. So what's your favorite equation? Yes. Well, I know that's my slope, so I can substitute it in here. What am I going to do with this? Well, that's x, that's y. Oh, I can just put that in here. I can substitute those in. So instead of x, I can put that as a 5, and that's a y. So I can put it in here. So let's solve that. 2, oh, you can't see. 2 equals, well, 5 divided by 5 is 1, so we really have 3 left. Or you can use your calculator to do that. Solve for b. So now I know b equals -1. Okay. So now I know my slope equals 3/5. My b, which is my y-intercept, equals -1. What do I do now? Well, what's your favorite equation? I can put my slope here, and I can put my y-intercept there. Let's see, is it here? Yep. There it is. Okay. So the thing about remembering for this question is perpendicular slopes. If it's perpendicular to a line, find the slope here. And when it's perpendicular, you have to flip it upside down, the reciprocal, and change the sign to the opposite. So here it's minus, so my sign is going to become positive. If they said parallel, then you would just take the same slope, okay? But if it's perpendicular, you flip it upside down and you change the sign. Okay? All right.